Hi, my name is Celia Toto Lobe, and today I'll be presenting my final project on a biodegradable material called polybutylene succinate, or PBS. PBS stands out for its renewability, functionality, and eco-friendliness. In this video, I'll walk you through what PBS is, why it matters, its useful properties, real-world applications, and a 3D model of a PBS molecules that I have created. PBS is a type of aliphatic polyester, and it is considered to be bio-based because it is made from succinic acid and 1,4-butanediol, both of which are produced through a process called polycondensation. Unlike traditional plastics that rely on fossil fuels, PBS comes from renewable resources. What makes PBS so practical is its number of useful properties. Since PBS comes from renewable resources, its carbon footprint is significantly lower, and it can completely break down into water and carbon dioxide under composting conditions, which makes it an environmentally friendly material. PBS is highly flexible and strong for use in films and packaging, and it makes it great for containers and other more solid items. PBS remains stable under high temperatures, which facilitates extrusion and injection molding, meaning it can be shaped into all kinds of products while still being safe for the environment. Multiple industries use PBS. For instance, in the consumer product industries, it's ideal for cosmetic and personal care containers like shampoo bottles or lotion tubes. It is also used in disposable cutlery and biodegradable packaging like food trays and bags. Here is a 3D model of a PBS molecule. In the middle section with two carbon atoms, each double bonded to oxygen atoms represents succinic acid. The longer carbon chain connecting them represents the 1,4-butanediol. These are linked together by ester bonds, which is what makes it a polymer. The structure usually repeats over and over, which gives PBS its strength, flexibility, and the ability to be molded into different products. Since it is biodegradable, its entire molecular chain breaks down in the environment, unlike traditional plastics. I have also added a picture of how succinic acid and 1,4-butanediol come together to form PBS. To conclude, given that plastics are one of our biggest environmental challenges, switching to a biodegradable plant-based material like PBS will reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, will decrease long-term pollution, and promote a more sustainable future. Therefore, switching to PBS will be a great alternative for the future of our environment. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. I hope you learned something new, and if you have any questions for me, I'll be more than welcome to answer.